There's a few berries the bears haven't gotten yet. That's a viewing platform I was just on. But the sun is in kind of just exactly the wrong spot to really see the falls well. And now I'm hiking up just a little bit past the viewing platform because I think you can get a little closer to the falls. Not falls really plural, because I guess it's only 2 falls in the springtime. One of the falls is just a little trickle. Very nice and cool because of the shade and all the water, but you got to watch out for the evil plants. That's an evil plant.